Hey guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today is a very special day. I am so ecstatic of the result. I followed Bob Ross' Arizona Splendor Season 5, Episode 8. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment. Comment anything, just leave them down below and share to your family and friends. Also, if you want to see how I followed Bob Ross painting, please stay tuned and let's get this video going.
Well, hello. I'm glad you could join me today. So, let's start off. We'll take a small amount of Prussian blue.
Okay, we're gonna need a phthalo blue.
Phthalo blue. Little crisscross strokes.
This is the phthalo blue here. So like Bob Ross said, just crisscross.
Phthalo blue is a very, very bright, very pretty. Okay, let's get a little more of the phthalo blue on the brush. Maybe.
Just a little bit phthalo blue. Just like so. Make some water.
We'll have some water in this painting, so I'll just go ahead and just do like so. Just do like so. We don't know exactly where the water's going to be yet. Let's go right up here. You can blend it to whatever value that you want. The magic white underneath will continually mix with the color.
Van Dyke brown, alizarin crimson.
Mountain, we want it to come right about in there, wherever you want it. It's your mountain, so you put it where you want it. Tail or anything else. Basic shape. I'm really pushing this color into the canvas. Just a basic shape. And I'm really pushing this color into the canvas. We can move color. If it was a dry canvas, you'd have a... And I want to pull this paint down. And because the canvas is wet, we can move color. You can move paint all over. There we go. Just pull it down. And that gives us a big... You'd have a double of a time trying to do this. But since it's cut across it, need that small roll of paint again. Canvas, gentle pressure. One little mist at the bottom, so I'm just going to take the large brush and just gently tap the bottom. Just wherever you think, since it might get a little foothold there and grow. Just drop them on.
So my green is very, very green. I don't have a sap green. Let me use the plant green.
Just pick up, make it look like little, see there? Something might get a little foothold there and grow. Just drop them on. And it easy. Just want to make some nice edges underneath. Okay, it gave me, it was taken in Arizona. I always thought Arizona maybe was not even good. Right there. And you just push and bend. See, gives you a good idea of where you're going and what you're going to make. This is where you lay out some basic shapes. See, and all
So
that.
I need... Woo! This is hard, man. Alright, let me get the clean brush. And he said, just pull the paint down.
And I want some reflections in my water.
Looks like we got water. Woo!
Water.
Okay, what's
Make
next?
you feel better. Just go across instant water.
Across. And just go across. We're creating an instant water. You're right. There you go. We're gonna need a cad yellow and sap green.
A lot of paint on the brush.
Mine is super green. I may have to put more yellow.
A lot of paint.
So it can easily glide. There you go.
Make these decisions, drop them in. This is your world, so you figure out where the sticks live. So you figure out where the sticks live. Okay, now. There we go. Just drop these in here and there. We're going to have some land areas. Yellow, green, white. It's very pretty. We all have to have a little shot at mud mixing.
My paint does not stick, so I gotta put some thinner. So we're gonna make a tree here. I want to see where he started. At what point he started.
This is also the way you cover up the end of your mouth.
Corner of this.
And I'm pushing.
Okay. Let the sky show. Okay.
Just push it very, very hard. Really push that paint into the canvas so it comes right out. Like yes. Cover up the end of your mouth and close that end off. Don't have to worry about it no more. Pushing very, very hard.
To make some water here. Let me clean my brush a little bit.
Put in some general little indications of some sticks and twigs. This is just brown and white. You just let it go wherever you want it to go. And you can put as many of these as you want in your world. Here, and I'm just barely touching with a knife.
The pathway here, people can walk down here. Ouch.
It's Van Dyke brown.
Okay. Now let's put some white. And this one, maybe I can use the brush. What brush do I need to use? I can use the thin one. Let's use a clean.
Maybe there's a little stone under the water there and it makes it go bloop.
Ooh.
Causes all those little splashes. And just have fun with this. Just have fun with it. Back and forth and wherever you want it to go. You can create some of the most beautiful little streams, and they're so easy. So easy. Wouldn't be as rough, wouldn't be as turbulent. Just a few little ripples here and there. Don't go too many.
Okay, now I see the problem now. I did not put enough reflection here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back and put some reflection of the water this side. And I hope I will be able to recreate that. I think I'm having hard times with this. Oh shoot. All right, let's try this. Let's try. Oh, that's gonna be a big problem. I think I can. Let's try that. Good. I think my brush is too wet. Okay. Now let's continue creating more stream. A big tree that lives here. One down here. One down here. One down here. One down here.
Maybe he's got a friend that lives right there beside him. Shoot, maybe he's a popular tree. He's got several friends.
Okay. Now we're gonna use the liner. I guess we are done. Okay. I think we are done, guys. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you closer.
We'd like to wish you happy painting. God bless.
There we go.
See you next week.
So this is, I'm following a Bob Ross Arizona Splendor painting. I hope you like this. And if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share this to your family and friends. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye.